Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to import an existing wallet into MetaMask. Whether you have a wallet on another device or are restoring your wallet using a seed phrase or private key, this tutorial will guide you through the process with clear instructions. First of all, launch Open MetaMask application on your device. From the main welcome page, click on Get Started. Agree to the terms and conditions of MetaMask and click Agree. On the next page, to import an existing wallet, tap on I have an existing wallet. You can then choose an option to sign in. You can use Google, Apple, or Secret Recovery Phrase option. I'm going to choose Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your recovery phrases in the correct order and make sure no one is watching. Type in each recovery phrases in the correct order. After typing down the wallet phrases, click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to create a new password every time you import your wallet. Type in a strong password in the first field. Once you are done, re-enter the password in the next field. Finally, click on this little square box at the bottom. Remember, if you forget the password, MetaMask won't be able to recover it for you. And now, finally, if you want to unlock your MetaMask wallet with Face ID, toggle on the button at the bottom. If not, leave it unchecked and click on Create Password. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to import your existing wallet on MetaMask. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.